Oppo Enco W11 comes in this white box where we have the product image printed at the front. Upon unboxing, we get the earbuds in the charging case, USB A to C charging cable, extra pairs of ear tips, and the documents to get started. The product does have a premium feel to it, solely for its look. The glossy outer shell looks stunning and the case is also durable in front of minor drops, as we've noticed in our testing. The buds themselves look pretty good. With the small form factor, they are light in weight, and because of these soft silicone ear tips, they do not cause any discomfort even if we use them to watch an entire movie. They can be connected to any Bluetooth enabled device with ease and can be charged through a Type-C cable.